Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are bringing elegance and magic together with a black and golden Christmas decoration theme. If you are tired of the traditional red and green, this luxurious combination will transform your home into a sophisticated winter wonderland. So stay tuned with us. The end of cozy lighting ideas and stunning Christmas table setup that will make your guests go to wow. So grab a cup of hot coffee, relax, and let's dive into the glamorous Christmas transformation. Before we begin decorating, let's set the right mood. Christmas is not just about colors, it's about warmth, love, and elegance. For this theme, our goal to balance black, bold, and classy with gold, bright, and pastel. Together, they create a rich, cozy atmosphere that feels modern yet timeless. Start by the clearing your main area, your living room or entrance. Light a few candles, put on your favorite holiday playlist, and let's start decorating step by step. So visual treating, set up string lights, ornaments being added. Now the centerpiece of every home, the Christmas tree. For a black and gold theme, go for a dark green or even a black artificial tree. A black tree make gold ornaments stand out beautifully. Start with warm white and golden fairy lights. Wrap them all around the tree from top to bottom. Then add gold ribbon or mesh garland for that luxurious touch. Choose ornaments in shades of nude black, shiny gold, and pearl white. To add dimension, mix texture, glitters, ball, metallic finishing, and stand ornaments. Don't forget the tree topper, a gold star, elegant bow will complete the look perfectly. For the base, wrap a fox foot, black or golden tree skirt. It instantly adds coziness. Next, let's move the living area. Switch off your regular cushions for black velvet or gold sequence cover. A few cozy throws in the matching tones will make the space inviting. If you have fireplace, it's the perfect spot of continue the theme. Hangback and golden stocking, add a gold candle holder on the mantle and place small black figure or mini Christmas tree. To make the room glow, place LED candles and string lights inside glass jar or lantern. You can also use glass jar and mason jar. They give a magical golden sparkle. For wall art, go simple, maybe a golden red, a black frame, Christmas coat. Simple touch go a long way in maintaining that classy vibe. So next, elegant table setup, centerpiece decoration. Now let make your dining area look like a belong in a luxury magazine. Start with a black or dark gray table touch and layer it with a gold runner down the center. Use gold rim plates, black napkins, and gold cutlery for the royal touch. If you want to take it about rich, tie your napkin with small gold ribbon and add a teeny ornaments, pine cones on the top. For the centerpiece, use a long tray filled with gold bubbles, black candles, and fairy lights. You can also add a few evergreen branch or white flowers for contrast. Above the table hang a gold or crystal chandelier or wrap your